Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will explore the Appraiser's portal. So currently we are on the landing page of the A2Z AMC. So I will click on this dashboard button and it will take me to the appraisal portal. So as you can see, we are logged in as a user, Thomas, who is an appraiser. And it says on the dashboard, it says that welcome back, Thomas. And these are the recent appraisal orders. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. And if you move towards the appraisal orders, this is where all the appraisal orders that are assigned to this specific appraiser, Thomas, will be listed. You can click on any of these and view the details of that appraisal order and see what type of the status it is in, such as completed, in progress, or any kind of other action is required. Then we have the notifications page where you can see all the in-app notifications of this specific user, such as the new appraisal orders assigned, orders resumed, fee request accepted, and lastly we have a profile page where you can see all the personal information details of that particular user. Here you can edit any of the information that you provided at the time of registration of this specific user. That is your personal information, the address, the company and business information, then the E&O Insurance. If it is expired, you can again fill it, and the years of experience you have, any kind of the expertise or the qualifications you have, the type of tool you use for the reports. If you have changed the using type of tool, you can click on any of the other. And the state license, if you want to add a new license, you can add it. If you want to update this current license as it is expired, you can do that as well. If you want to upload any documents, you can upload that as well. And lastly, you can change your password. And another thing is this icon bell that says the notifications alert. So yeah, this is all for today's video, and we have a separate video for each of this page and all the actions an appraiser can perform in detail. So thank you for watching.